Hello, Canadian seniors and caregivers. Today we're addressing an important financial matter that could directly impact thousands of senior citizens across Canada. If you or a loved one is a Canadian senior, you'll want to pay close attention to this vital information about a potential $2,150 payment from the Old Age Security, OAS, and Canada Pension Plan, CPP programs. This significant sum represents a lifeline for many seniors living on fixed incomes, especially during these challenging economic times with rising living costs. Whether you're a retiree yourself, caring for an aging parent, or simply want to ensure the seniors in your community are receiving their entitled benefits, this information is essential. The Canadian government has implemented several support measures for seniors in recent years, and ensuring you've received all eligible payments could make a substantial difference in your financial well-being. Take a moment to verify if this $2,150 payment has reached your account. It's money you may have rightfully earned through your years of contribution to our great nation. Before diving into the specifics of this $2,150 payment, let's understand the foundation of Canada's retirement income system. The government provides financial support to seniors through two primary programs: the Old Age Security, OAS, and the Canada Pension Plan, CPP. These programs work in tandem to create a safety net for Canadians in their retirement years. OAS, one of the cornerstones of Canada's retirement income system, is available to most Canadians aged 65 and older. Unlike CPP, OAS is not based on your employment history, but rather on your residency in Canada. If you've lived in Canada for at least 10 years after turning 18, you may be eligible for at least a partial OAS pension, with a full pension available to those who have lived in Canada for at least 40 years after turning 18. Additionally, the OAS program includes the basic pension for all eligible seniors, as well as additional benefits like the Guaranteed Income Supplement, GIS, for low-income seniors. In contrast, the CPP is a contributory program, meaning that you and your employers have made contributions to the CPP throughout your working years. The amount you receive depends on how much and for how long you contributed, as well as the age at which you choose to start receiving benefits. The standard age to start receiving CPP retirement benefits is 65, although you can opt to start as early as age 60 with a permanent reduction, or as late as age 70 with a permanent increase. Understanding these two programs is crucial because the $2,150 payment we're discussing today may be a combination of benefits from both systems, possibly including retroactive payments, cost of living adjustments, or special supplementary benefits that have been recently implemented. This amount represents a potential combined payment that eligible seniors might receive, particularly following recent enhancements and adjustments to these benefit systems. It's important to note that this figure isn't a universal payment that all seniors automatically receive. Rather, it represents a possible maximum amount that certain qualifying seniors might be entitled to receive based on their specific circumstances, including age, income level, residency history, and CPP contribution history. The payment could be composed of various elements, including the regular monthly OAS pension, the CPP retirement pension, the GIS for low-income seniors, retroactive payments for recently approved benefits, and special one-time payments or increases announced by the government to help seniors cope with inflation and rising living costs. One significant factor contributing to this $2,150 figure is the recent indexation of both OAS and CPP benefits. Since these programs are indexed to the Consumer Price Index (CPI), benefit amounts increase to keep pace with inflation during periods of higher inflation, as we've experienced recently. Additionally, recent enhancements include a 10% increase for seniors aged 75 and older and various one-time payments to help seniors manage additional expenses during challenging economic periods. For CPP recipients, the maximum monthly retirement pension has also increased, and delaying CPP benefits beyond age 65 can result in permanently higher monthly payments. Eligibility for this potential $2,150 payment depends on various factors related to both the OAS and CPP programs. For the OAS portion, eligibility generally begins at age 65, although you can defer your first payment for up to 60 months, 5 years, in exchange for a higher monthly amount. To receive the full OAS pension, you must have lived in Canada for at least 40 years after turning 18, while a partial pension is available for those with at least 10 years of residency. Your income level also affects OAS benefits. If your individual net income exceeds a certain threshold, for example, $79,500 for 2021, your OAS pension will be reduced or even fully clawed back. The Guaranteed Income Supplement (GIS) provides additional monthly payments on top of the OAS pension for low-income seniors, provided you meet the necessary income requirements. For the CPP portion, eligibility depends largely on your contributions during your working years. The standard age to start receiving CPP retirement benefits is 65, but you can choose to begin as early as age 60 or as late as age 70. The amount you receive is based on your contributions and the age at which you begin receiving benefits, with various enhancements introduced since 2019 gradually increasing pension amounts. Additional eligibility factors for this specific $2,150 payment might include whether you qualify for any special one-time payments, recent benefit enhancements, or retroactive payments. To verify if you have received this potential $2,150 payment, check your financial records and communications from Service Canada or the Canada Revenue Agency. The most direct method is to review your bank statements for deposits labeled as Canada Pension Plan or Old Age Security. Typically, CPP payments are issued on the 28th of each month, while OAS payments, including GIS if applicable, are issued during the last 3 banking days of the month. If you receive payments by mail, inspect your government-issued checks carefully. You can also access your My Service Canada account (MSCA) online, which provides detailed payment information, including any retroactive amounts or adjustments. Similarly, checking your My Account with the CRA can provide a complete history of government benefits and payments. If you prefer speaking with someone directly, contact Service Canada regarding your OAS and CPP benefits. For OAS inquiries, call 1-800-277-9914 English or 1-800-277-9914 French, and use the same numbers for CPP inquiries. Be prepared to verify your identity with personal information such as your social insurance number, SIN, and date of birth. Service Canada representatives can clarify any questions about recent payments, including special or one-time payments, and help you understand the composition of larger payments. If you receive a payment of approximately $2,150 and are unsure about its source or reason, don't hesitate to seek clarification. It's important to understand whether the payment is a one-time or retroactive adjustment, so that you have accurate expectations about future benefits. Recent changes to OAS and CPP may affect your payment amount, and prompt contact with Service Canada can help resolve any issues. Recent enhancements to the Canadian Retirement Benefit System could be influencing this payment amount. Notably, the 10% increase for seniors aged 75 and older, implemented in July 2022, provides substantially higher monthly payments for this age group. If you recently turned 75, this increase could significantly contribute to a larger payment, especially when combined with retroactive amounts. Additionally, the quarterly indexation increases for OAS, applied in January, April, July, and October, help maintain the purchasing power of benefits during periods of rising inflation. For CPP, gradual enhancements have been implemented since 2019 to increase the amount of earnings covered, leading to higher pension amounts for both current and future retirees. One-time payments introduced during extraordinary circumstances, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, have also helped seniors cope with economic challenges. In summary, if you believe you may be eligible for this $2,150 payment, it is crucial to review your bank statements, access your online accounts, and contact Service Canada for any clarifications. Taking these steps can help ensure that you receive the full benefits to which you are entitled and maintain a clear understanding of any changes affecting your retirement income.